This video demonstrates Spotter Global's Remote Drone ID and Network I/O or NEO system working in tandem to mitigate drone activity. After a drone starts, it begins transmitting a remote ID that includes the drone and pilot's location. Spotter's RDID captures that data and displays it on a map. RDID also tracks the drone's movement and pilot's location. Our NEO software can also cue an optional but highly recommended PTZ camera to track the drone visually, as you can see in the top left of the video. In NEO, you can define airspace you want protected. If a drone enters that airspace, it can send a message to security and show the pilot's location on a mobile device so law enforcement can find the pilot and legally mitigate the drone threat.